Hello, my name is Clara Kennedy. I'm from Little Pine, and I'm here to teach you how to sew or how to work a sewing machine. The basic sewing steps. So the first step is to get thread, and then that's this. And then there's usually a spool where you could put your thread, and then you just put it in there, and then you have one of these like a stopper so it won't fall. And then the first thing you want to do is bobbin your thread for the bottom stitch. So this is a bobbin, and then to wind the bobbin you have to go through this. There's a diagram here that shows where to put the bobbin, and then you just follow the diagram. So that is what I'm doing. So you go like that. Okay. So I am following that. So you go through there. Okay. And then you just have to make sure the thread is following. And then you put the thread, there's a hole through this bobbin. And then you just put it in through that hole. And then it's in there. And then you put it through this bobbin winder, and then there is a groove there that you can put through this. There's a little piece of like groove sticking out, so you'd have to match the grooves together so it'll stay, and then you just push that. So you hold the thread, and then you just start put pressure on the pedal foot at the bottom here at my feet. So I just do, you have to turn on the sewing machine first. So, and then you just do that. So you get a scissors, and when it's all winded, you can cut that piece off, and then you just let it wind. So that's what that's doing, and then it'll stop by itself when it's all winded up. Okay, then it stopped by itself, and that's when you know you take it up. And then you take that part out, and then you cut the thread, and then to thread the machine, there's a diagram here to follow. And there's that thing there, that little groove there, where it will fall. You just have to follow it through. And then there's the needle threader here. And then you just put that through, and then do it right. Okay, so it's threaded through, and then to put the bobbin in, there's a bobbin case inside here. It's like a drop-in bobbin. And then there is a little diagram to follow here too. And then you just follow the thread through the diagram. So, and then you close that, and then you can start sewing. So there is some, like there's a stitch length and stitch width here that you go through, but the basic sewing, you just need the stitch length. And the basic stitch length is 2.5. It'll tell you on this little screen here. And then you just put the pressure walking foot down, and then you can just start sewing. So that's a basic straight stitch. And then to lock the stitch, you'd have to do the backward stitch. There is a button here to press, and then it goes backwards, and then that's how you lock the stitch. And then to lift the needle, there is a button here to lift the needle, and then that's how you take that. And then you just pull it out, you take it out, and then there is a thread cutter here. And then this is the basic stitch, straight stitch. And that'll be, that's the basic sewing to do the straight stitch.